Coming up, let's learn about the enterprise IT management software ManageEngine. Please welcome Marketing Manager Mason Herring here at Interop 2013. You're watching YBL TV. So Mason, what is ManageEngine?
ManageEngine is a solution provider for enterprise IT management. We essentially have about 25 different products overall, ranging from network, server, and application monitoring tools, all the way down to password reset, help desk tools, and even some security tools in between.
Tell us about your products, your solutions. What do you offer?
The number one thing that we offer is simplicity. You know, IT management itself is kind of a chore and a hassle. We provide that simple, easy to use interface.
What platforms do your products work on? I understand Linux and Windows?
Yeah, Linux and Windows. All of our software is pretty much, most all of it is on-premise. So Windows, Linux backends, SQL database, MS SQL, any type of database that you need to put it on as well.
We're here at Interop 2013. What are your major announcements here at the show?
Yeah, for Interop we announced for our Op Manager product, which is our network and server monitoring tool, we announced a 360 root cause analysis feature enhancement. So now you'll be able to really go straight into the root cause and identify immediately what the cause of a particular alarm or alert may have been. We also are announcing enterprise scalability for our Op Manager tool. We'll be able to deploy and monitor up to 50,000 devices in a single instance of the installation. So with one probe, 50,000 devices, that's a major step in enterprise scalability.
I understand, Mason, Zoho Corp is your parent company?
Yeah, that's right. We're a division of Zoho Corp. Zoho Corp is a parent, and of course we operate the Zoho.com entry lines as well. The Zoho.com business is all about productivity, collaboration, improving small businesses' abilities to do their job on a daily basis. CRM, mail, document management, you name it, we got it as well.
I'm very familiar with Zoho. I love them. We are a proud user.
Yeah, great. That's great to hear. We hear that a lot, so we want to keep that trend continuing.